Enroll your child for the manifested e-learning platform and see their grades grow tremendously. These videos can be downloaded to a laptop for offline viewing or viewed from a smartphone in a cost-friendly format.
How are you, learners? Are you ready to learn? Welcome to Manifested e-learning platform. We will continue with the subject mathematical activities. The strand is numbers, the substrand whole numbers. We will continue to count. In our today's lesson, we are going to count from 500 up to 1,000. Learners, welcome to our today's lesson. The subject is mathematical activities. The strand is numbers. The substrand is whole numbers. Whole numbers. Mathematical activities. Numbers, whole numbers. Learners, today we are going to count. We are going to count from 500 to 1,000. From 500 to 1,000. I want you to write from 500 to 1,000. We start by counting from 500, learners, 500, we move on to 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510. We go on to 511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 516, 517, 518, 519, 520. Learners counting. 521, 522, 523, 524, 525, 526, 527. We'll go on up to say 600. Right, up to 600. So learners, I'll come here and continue 600. Come here and continue 600, then 601, 602, 603, 604, 605, 606, 607, 608, 609, 610. I continue 611, 612, 613, 614, 615, 616, 617, 618, 619, 620, 621, 622, 623. Say we go on up to say 700. Counting up to 700. So learners, I'll come here and continue from 700, 700, 700 learners, 701, 702, 703, 704, 705, 706, 707, 708, 719, and 9, 710. Then I continue. 711, 712, 713, 714, 715, 716. I can go on, learners, up to say 800. So I continue, learners, 800, 800, 801, 800, I write 800, then 801, 802, 803, 804, 805, 806, 807, 808, 809, 810. I can continue on like that, learners. 811, 812, 813, 814, 815, 816, 817, 818, 819, 820. I can go on up to say 900 learners. Then I come and continue 900 learners, 900. I can continue here 900, 900, 901, 902, 903, 904, 905, and 5. This is 905, 906, 907, 908, 909, 910. I can continue 911, 912, 913, 914, 915, 916, 917, 918, 919, 920, 921. Can continue, learners. 922, 923, 924, 925, 926, 927, 927, 928, 929, 930, 931, 932, 933, 934, 935, 936, 937, 938, 939, 940, learners, 940, 941, 942, 943, 944, 945, 45. This is 945, 45, 946, 947, 948, 949, 950. I can go on. 951, 952, 953, 954, 955, 956, 957, 958, 959, 960. I can go on, learners, up to 990, 990, 991, 992, 993, 994, 995, 996, 997, 998, 999, then 1,000, learners. 1,000. I've counted from 500 to 1,000. Counting 500 up to 1,000. 500 up to 1,000. So learners, I want you to practice when you are at home. Practice counting. Practice counting. Count from 500. Today we are counting from 500. Count when you are at home. 500. You can try it, learners. 500. 501. 502. 503. 504. 505. 506. 507. 508. 509. 510. 511. 512 up to 1,000. Up to 1,000. We have done what? Counting. We have counted. So learners, I want us to do what? To do some exercise. Do exercise. This we are calling exercise 6. Exercise C. Not 6 but C. Exercise C. Exercise C. Exercise C. Count. count A, 505, 506, 507, then dash, 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 dash. Okay. B, I have 700, 701, 702, then dash, 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 dash. All right. Then C learners, I have 610, 611, 612, then you have dash, 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 dash. Learners, D, moving on to exercise D, what do I have? I have 780, 781, 782, then I have dash, 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 dash. So we are supposed to do what? To fill in the blank spaces. To fill in the blank spaces. Counting learners. From 505, we move on to 506, then 507, then 508, 508, then from 508 we move to 509, 509, from 509 we move to 510, from 510 we move to 511, from 511 we move to 512, 512. So learners, I've done A. I want you to now do B. This is your exercise. Do B, C, D. Fill in these blank spaces. From 700, we move on to 701, we move on to 702. Then I want you to write this dash, fill in here, fill in there, fill in this blank, fill in that blank space. Then do the same for C and D. Learners, that is your today's assignment. And that will mark the end of our today's lesson. Learners, we have learned counting from 500 up to 1000. In our next lesson, we continue to learn more about whole numbers. Remember, the strand is numbers and the subject is mathematical activities. Mathematical activities. Thank you for joining us in our today's lesson. I will see you in our next lesson when we will continue learning mathematical activities. Bye-bye.
Thank you for choosing to study with us. For more information, you can call us on 0724 173845.